Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Elevate with Dr. Khizer Ahmed. Today I'll tell you people how to create high quality content that attracts followers for Instagram. So starting off, understand your audience. Know their interest, pain points and what keeps them engaged. So start off accordingly. Second point, focus on value. Create educational, entertaining or inspiring content that benefit your audiences. Coming to the next point, create high quality audios and visuals. So use sharp images, clear sound and proper lighting for a professional look. Next point, consistency is the key. So stick to a schedule and maintain a uniform style across all content. So don't be uploading different contents. Next one, optimize for engagement. Use compelling captions, interactive elements and call to action prompts. Use links also. So conclusion is focus on quality, consistency and audience connection for steady growth. So subscribe to my channel, like this video also, okay? Like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.